Fans, friends, watchmates, welcome back dito sa Time Catcher. Continuation tayo dito sa baluarte pa din ni Madam Joy Belmonte sa SM North EDSA. Fun fact, ang estimated construction cost ng SM North EDSA ay around 2.8 billion pesos according to costing and estimation professionals. Between Mall of Asia and Mega Mall, SM North caters one of these top 3 super malls with most watch stores dito sa Pilipinas, housing more than 15 boutiques, featuring more than 30 of the world's top 100 most popular watch brands. Bale dito sa upper ground floor of the block building, mayroong tinatawag na wall shop ang Casio. So let's go straight and have a try on itong G-Shock GX-56BB-1, a digital watch with a matte black finish and resin straps. Tinatawag din itong the King of G-Shock dahil ito yung isa sa pinakamalaking model na available. Syempre, hindi naman para sa lahat yung ganitong relo, no? But most buff guys or yung mga talagang banidoso at pasyonista can pull this one up. Knowing G-Shock for its rugged and robust build, kahit ganito yung size niya, it's still surprisingly lightweight. Meron din sila ditong GA-2200 MFR-3A, a Mystic Forest Carbon Core Guard. Almost same set of functions dun sa King of G-Shock, pero I believe mas madaling pormahan ito. Sa Prestige naman tayo, more than just a watch store, they also render watch services and repair. Kung may mga relo kayo na kailangan ng periodic maintenance, pwede nyong bisitahin ito sa second floor ng City Center building, Monday to Sunday, 10 AM to 10 PM. Brands they offer, itong Orient. Let's have a look dito sa RA-AK0702Y30B. Medyo nakakabulol yun Pero ayan, this is a dress watch with beige dial and a brown leather band. Price around 21,400. Tapos meron din sila nitong Open Heart Sun and Moon. Meron itong in-house caliber na tinatawag na F6B24, featuring a day and night indicator. Price around 32,900 pesos. They associate their brand name sa kanilang mga caliber, so we can be assured na this is of a high quality. Besides, they offer very elegant style, especially at this price segment. And fortunately, meron din sila ditong Washington Watch Store, one of the most reputable retailers ng mga Swiss watches globally. Simulan natin dito sa forefront brand nila doon, itong Maurice Lacroix, which was founded in 1975. Again, one of those understated watch brand that I have respect larger than this mall. Oo, alam po, hindi marami sa atin ang familiar sa brand na to, pero pakinggan nyo. ML produces their own watch movement. Barely 50 years pa lang sa industry, but already achieve notable milestones, like becoming official watch partner for FC Barcelona and the famous Red Bull Cliff Diving World Series. And of course, reaching the Philippine market in December 2024. So anong pang hinihintay nyo? Be one of the first Filipino owner of their timepieces. Meron din sila ditong ilang Tag Heuer, one of the most popular Swiss watch brand, especially loved by athletes dahil sa kanyang sporty design. At syempre, itong Grovana 1924. So for context lang, sila ay binansagang the king of watch glasses dahil sa kanilang mahusay na technique or treatment na ginagawa nila sa kanilang mga watch crystal. One of the most durable and one of the best legibility in the industry. Tapos ito namang the infamous American heritage brand, Hamilton. Bukod sa pagkaka-feature nila sa Interstellar movie, kilala din ang Hamilton na supplier ng British military between 1965 to 1976. Hamilton produced almost 40,000 wristwatches nung panahon na yan. So far, one of the largest collection of Hamilton itong branch ng Washington dito sa SM North na nakita ko. Some notable models dito, kagaya nitong 4 beautifully crafted watches that I rarely see. Pero ako ba, bakit ba ako bibili ng Hamilton? First off, their proven quality time tracking accuracy, as they are the company chosen by Swiss military in the early 20th century, as well as US Army during World War. That is a testament to their rich heritage and proven durability and reliability. They are also of Swiss quality watches, as being manufactured in Switzerland. More than 100 years na sa industry ang Hamilton, so perhaps safe to say that they already know what the customer wants from their watches. Hamilton combines Swiss and American heritage, one being an American brand and two being manufactured in Switzerland. Siyempre, Hamilton Watches is known for its association sa mga ilang popular movies. Pero siyempre, hindi naman yun ang selling point eh. Ang maganda kasi sa Hamilton, they do have well-refined calibers as well as sophisticated style, while offering it at a very fair and practical price range. Some unexpected timepieces then from Orient. Of course, with Japanese craftsmanship and DNA. Another one is a Japanese masterpiece, Orient Star, which is owned by the same company, Orient. Lipat tayo sa next store. Next is we have Tissot. Over 170 years in Swiss watchmaking. At kagaya ng madalas kong binabanggit sa channel na to about Tissot, is that this is a great brand entry point to premium Swiss watchmaking. They offer great watch caliber like the Powermatic 80, which is based on an ETA movement. Gumagamit din sila ng Swiss Matic, which is an in-house proprietary movement from Swatch Group. Siyempre, yung Tissot, sikat yan sa mga watch collectors or yung mga hobbyists, as well as for experienced enthusiasts looking for great value. Siyempre, Swiss quality and accuracy. Of course, Tissot has a long heritage of Swiss watchmaking, emphasizing precision and reliability. Kumbaga sa Pilipino, kung sikat tayo sa woodcraft, para kang bumili ng furniture sa JB Woodcraft or Vasacraft. Ang punto, this is a pure, authentic Swiss watch. Medyo VIP vibe and experience pag bumisita kayo sa store nila. Very premium at saka maganda yung ambience. Sa mga nabisita ko na Tissot store, isa sila sa may mga pinaka-kompletong collection. And I believe sila yung isa sa unang nagkaroon ng Tissot PRX na waffle green dial katulad nito. Meron din sila ditong rare timepiece na hindi ko nakikita sa ibang branch ng Tissot. Itong Chemin de Tourelle skeleton variant. If you are after elegance and some exquisite artistry in your timepiece, this is the watch for you. At syempre, itong kanilang latest iteration ng PRX chronograph, yung waffle green dial. As mentioned, based on the PRX architecture, powered by Value A05. So that's going to give you about 60 hours of power reserve. And of course, as PRX is known for, yung kanyang integrated bracelet. Fairly priced at 126,000 pesos. Siyempre, kagaya nung nabanggit ko sa previous episode natin dito sa SM North, silipin din natin yung bagong relocation nitong Timex. Galing sila sa lower ground floor at ngayon, mas may presence na sila dito sa upper ground floor. Maganda yung pwesto nila ngayon at marami silang discount promos. What I really love about Timex is they are continuously stepping up their game, integrating more complications in their new watch models while keeping them attainable to the mass market. Marami na silang nire-release din ng mga mechanical watches, kagaya ng Waterbury, and some representation and reiteration ng kanilang mga Marlin watches. Wala lang sila dito nung Timex Altia, hindi pa nare-release, pero we'll try to feature that separately sa ibang episode. Of course, itong store nila dito sa Timex, dito sa SM North, they have good customer service and great promos, especially bare months na. Great season to visit their watch stores. Show them some love and support. Malaking tulong yan sa mga employees nitong mga companies na to. And of course, helping the watch industry dito sa Pilipinas. One of the things that I really love about Timex is they invest on the quality of their watches. Take for example, kahit may mga watches sila na hindi nila in-house yung mga calibers, they outsource it from reputable watch movement manufacturer like Miyota. Syempre, Miyota carrying the brand name of Citizen, they ensure the quality of their movements. Itong studio bago lang, hindi ko alam kung sila yung dating Seiko store dito but they cater the same product line. May mga watch stores na hindi na natin mafe-feature kasi nagsara na yung iba or baka lumipat na sa ibang mall. Meron din namang mga soon to open pa lang. But let's try to feature them sa mga susunod na episodes. Siguro after several months, balikan natin itong SM North. Let's see some updates kung may mga bagong stores, tapos kung yung mga stores dito is may mga latest units and model sila ng mga brand na kinikater nila. Sa opinion ko, itong SM North yung isa sa pinaka magandang mabibilhan nyo ng mga relo, tapos marami kayong pagpipilian. On a certain budget syempre, kasi comparatively speaking, andyan ang Mall of Asia, andyan ang Mega Mall, kasi nagkikater yun ng mga luxury brands din. Unlike dito, pero on a certain budget, mas marami kayong choices dito. Mas marami din kayong mabibili compare dun sa dalawang nabanggit kong shop. Syempre, shoutout dun sa mga bago nating subscribers. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Marami tayong sorpresang paparating para sa inyo. Syempre, lalo na dun sa mga matatagal na nating subscribers na nakasuporta mula pa nang nag-uumpisa itong channel. Gusto ko ring malaman, syempre, baka may suggestions kayo o kung ano yung gusto nyong susunod na shopping mall o watch store na bisitahin natin sa mga susunod nating episode. Hanggang dito muna. Maraming salamat sa panonood hanggang sa bahaging ito ng video. God bless us all and keep watching.